Coming from Tamil Nadu, we saw what happened. You hail from Tamil Nadu. The issue as the Tamil Nadu that has said the NEET paper should come under the government. That is also a very different issue. But the sort of brutality that unfolded on the streets of Delhi, in the national capital, especially on the Sansad Marg. What do you make of it, sir? Today you are here to meet and you met people. What do you make of it?
We both, myself, Thirumavalavan, and my colleague, our party General Secretary, Dr. Ravi Kumar, members of Parliament, coming here to extend our support to the students and youth belonging to CJP. Our main demand, the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan due to leakage of question papers of NEET examinations. Dharmendra Pradhan has to resign immediately, then only the struggle will come to the end. On behalf of our party VCK, we are opposing NEET examinations from the day one which was introduced in the country. So our demand, the union government has to ban the NEET across the country. But in this juncture, BJP and all other Gen Z generation are demanding Dharmendra Pradhan must resign and he has to take responsibility for the leakage of question paper. So Union government, particularly our Honorable Prime Minister, has to consider this request essentially immediately. So we came here and we met all the people who injured yesterday violence by the Gundas and Delhi police. Many ununiformed Gundas, mafia have joined in this violence against the students and protesters. So on behalf of our party, we are condemning this kind of atrocities done by the police and Gundas.
Coming to the next question, Mr. Gandhi, the leader of opposition, with whom you are in alliance with the state of Tamil Nadu, is sitting outside Prime Minister's residence with the entire Congress party there, all the elected MPs, doing a protest right outside 7LK, and that is the Prime Minister's residence. He has also asked all the parties to invite, but keeping in mind you're the same Aam Aadmi party has made serious allegations on him that he's defaming this organic protest, he's doing cheap politics. He's trying to defame it. How come Mr. Gandhi is allowed to sit there when this exposes that Prime Minister and Mr. Modi are compromised? What's your take on it?
I am disagree with the points raised by Kejriwal. This is very essential. Everyone has to encourage this protest, support this protest. On these grounds, President of Opposition Party, Sri Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge ji extended their support to the protesters. So I don't think that it is defaming the protest. So I disagree with the points raised by our Arvind Kejriwal.